Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button. When we pick it, we can open the camera settings. Now we have to slide simply a little bit down to selfies category. Here at the second position we have save selfies as preview option, so our mirror effect with short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.